So you guys, this is what it looks like. Yes. Wagwan vlog world, welcome back to Kem Aleks channel. Okay y'all, this is another day of vlogmas, and right now I'm supposed to be doing my hair, but I can't. I think I'm just gonna do it tomorrow instead, because I'm about to go ahead and cook dinner for Babe and I. And he's in the kitchen washing dishes. I don't have a mistletoe. Should we kiss under the mistletoe? I don't have a mistletoe to hold over her head, but on Christmas Day we're gonna kiss under the mistletoe, okay guys?
Right.
Okay, I'm gonna let him wash the dishes. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys this that I got from, where is this from? Aeroflow. So it's a breast pump, and I got it through insurance. For all you breastfeeding mamas looking to get a good breast pump, you should go ahead and get this Aeroflow breast pump. And like I said, you can get it through insurance. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. One second, let me set up this camera. All right, y'all. So I'm back. And like I said, I just want to show y'all this awesome breast pump that I got. I want to be on the breastfeeding journey, because breastfeeding is the best for a newborn, but you know, you also have to have formulas as a backup, you know, just in case you don't produce enough milk. You know, you have to have a backup plan. But let's get into this bag. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. It has a good amount of space, and yeah, and it's black, so you know black goes with anything. Next, we have the breast milk cooler bag. And it also comes with some ice pack. That's pretty awesome. And some baby bottles. 4 of them. And last but not least, the breast pump. And this is the Zami Z2 double electric breast pump. So yeah, I think this is a good one. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. Oh. Whew, let me take a seat. Shoot. Oh my goodness. Let's bring this closer. Can you all see? Hold on. Okay. I need to get a box cutter, y'all. But for now, I'm just gonna use what I have, which is the scissors. Oh my God. Oh, shoot. Hard to come out. I'm ripping the box. Oh my jeez. This is just a manual. These are some stickers. And this is just a quick start guide, just to show you how to operate the electric breast pump. So yeah. Nice. These are for the bottles. just to charge it. I'm gonna open this last. These got something to do with the breast bump. We'll figure it out. And we got some more bottles and nipples and bottle covers, all that good stuff. I love it. All right, my insurance came through, okay? Like I said, if y'all wanna get these, well, for all the pregnant mamas, if y'all wanna get something like this, go call your insurance. This is really, really nice. I love it. So I'm gonna have to go read up on how to use this and put this together. But
whoa!
yeah, this is like I was saying, this is really nice. It's a good thing to have, you know, something like this. And I can't stress this enough, you know, if you have a good insurance and they'll let you get these type of things for the baby, go for it, you know, why not? It's very helpful, you know. I'm just gonna go ahead and put everything in this bag and throw away those boxes. I'm gonna wash this a little bit later on. Look at that. It's so nice and neat. And it's not heavy. Like, I love it. Okay, y'all. Let me go ahead and start cooking because I don't want us to eat too late. It's not dirty, but I just want to wipe down the oil off of it because we did breakfast this morning, and to be honest, I didn't wipe it down, so the grease is on it, but it's not dirty. I try to keep the stove clean as possible. These I already washed these. And we're gonna change these out. Okay, this is how everything is looking. It's nice and clean. Okay, so I'm gonna wash my hands and get started. See. Short people problems. Wash it like a clothes. Okay, let me finish washing this rice and I'll get back with you guys. Okay, rice is washed, nice and clean. think it needs a little bit more water because as a Jamaican, we don't measure no, we just pour in there. Onion. I think that's enough. Let me bring it over here. So that's how it looking. All right, so we're gonna make that one cook. Let's cover it. Okay. All right, so I diced up some tomatoes already off camera, and I'm gonna do the onion. I'm just cutting in any direction at this point. Smells so good. And this is what we're gonna eat with the rice. We all know about mackerel and rice. I'm just kidding. All my Jamaican peeps knows about mackerel and rice, okay? So, which one is this? This is wild caught, skinless and boneless mackerel, and it's in olive oil. I'm gonna get this started and I'll see you guys in a bit. Just a little salt, cayenne pepper, black pepper, this is a Serbian all-purpose seasoning. Accent. Let me show you all this up close. That's what it looks like. And some Old Bay. Ooh. Just to give it some flavor, you know what I'm saying? Smells so good. All right, give me a second. I gotta go sit down. So you guys, this is what it looks like. Yes. Let's spin it around. Let's bring Babe's food for him. You're welcome. You wanna try it? Yeah. Is it good? Yeah. Look at Babe's game. What you call this game, babe?
Baldur's Gate.
I'll be trying to play the games, but I'll be dying too quickly, so I can't be bothered with it.
This is good.
Yeah, I'm glad you like it, babe. It's mackerel and rice. Baby's enjoying it. All right, so there you have it. Dinner was good, and Babe enjoys dinner. So I did a great job, as always. So now I'm just gonna relax and watch some movie. All right, so let me do a taste test for you guys. This is good. I'm gonna go ahead and finish eating. If you guys do like this video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you smash the subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next vlogmas. Bye.